और अगर अभी आप देखें टेक obviously some different teams have different values but the three expensive teams लाहौर कराची मुल्तान हमारा year on year loss होता है मतलब we have to pay money out of our pocket every year to run the team and to keep the team.
That's not sustainable.
Of course not.
It is not sustainable.
और जब हमारे पैसे ज़ाया हो रहे हैं मतलब एक कुआं है जिसमें पैसे डालते रहते हैं हर साल. अब हमारी तो ये थी ना उम्मीद कि one day it will become profitable. हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि आप हमें PSL 11 प्रॉफिटेबल कर दें. हम कह रहे हैं we need to see a clear route to profitability.
But initially
आप कह दो कि 10 साल बाद होगी प्रॉफिटेबल.
Initially projection क्या थी कितने साल बाद
प्रोजेक्शन तो था कि आप थर्ड ईयर पैसे कमा रहे होगे बिकॉज PSL इतने पैसे कमाएगा ये होएगा.
But that didn't happen.
Obviously not.
So and now there are 2 more teams being added. So obviously a lot of numbers
and
here.
if we have an asset let's say अगर खर्चे उतने ही हो रहे हैं लेकिन हम एसेट बिल्ड करें तो then we can invest more in it ना. अगर हमारा अपना एसेट है तो then teams can be like I want to build my own stadium और revenue मुझे मिलेगा. Yes, but if you're renting a team you're not going to build a stadium for the team ना. Because if you build a team and it's not making financial sense then क्या करोगे फिर. जब तक आप ओनरशिप नहीं लेके आओगे people will not truly invest in Pakistan cricket. हम तो ऐसे बातें कर रहे हैं कि give us the asset and let us build our own team and we'll keep the money, we'll keep the revenue from our own stadium. हम बना लेंगे. अभी PCB अपने स्टेडियम इतने कम है, they are renting it from the government. हम बनाना चाहते हैं वो कहते हैं कि this is not a problem. आप लोग बस खेलें हर साल bare minimum करें and no बगस. अब अभी आप देखें पहले जब IPL था हम लोगों को प्राउडली कहते थे कि IPL के बाद PSL is the biggest cricket league in the world. कहते थे ना सारे.
खाली हम नहीं कहते थे by the way, everybody else also
हम
around
कहते
the
थे,
world.
प्लेयर्स कहते थे, हम सब कहते थे. अभी अगर आप देखें there are 17 cricket leagues in the world. Where's PSL? IPL number 1 है. Who's number 2? In terms of viewership, it's ILT20 in Dubai because they have Indian audience. So viewership wise, they're ahead of us. हमारी media deal बेहतर है, but their viewership is higher. अगर आप बात करें how much money people are paying for it, अभी जो 100 की bids हुई हैं, far and above the valuation that PCB can ever hope to get. So now even third. तो क्या है प्लेयर्स वाइज साउथ अफ्रीका भी है अभी बिग बैश भी है BPL में पीपल गेट मैसिव कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स. तो हम कहाँ हैं. आर वी इन द टॉप 5? मे बी वी कैन आर्ग्यू वी माइट बी नंबर 5. लेकिन अब हमारे why did we move to the IPL window? Why did we move to the IPL? पता है?
Yeah, because of different ये जो चल रही हैं leagues and of course.
If we were the second best league in the world, हमें परवाना होती कि कौन करे हमारे साथ.
This was decided last year, right? That this was going to clash.
Yes, because we understood कि we are at the same time as the BBL, BPL and ILT20 South Africa League. हमारे player नहीं आएंगे. So that obviously means we are not a top tier tournament anymore for them. So we had to do it during IPL कि सारे जो player फारे हैं, they have to come to us. This is the sad reality of the PSL. This is what they've done to this brand.